Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we have talked about exercise 5.2. ठीक है? So before starting exercise 5.2, let's see what we need in exercise 5.2. So first we know we have talked about series in this exercise. So series look like that: A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Okay, you know what is the A1. Give some example: 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. A1 means first term, A2 means second term, A3 means third term, A4 means fourth term. Okay, so on. Here we find the nth term that we don't know. Okay, so how to find the nth term? So equation is given like that: an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So first you know what is the n term? The n term of the equation. Okay. Suppose that we have to find the 15th term of the series. So here we take n is equal to 15 because we have to find 15th term. A means our first term. Our first term is 3. So A is equal to 3, and what we need more? D. So D is equal to gap of the two term. Here is a 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Okay, then we put this value in equation. So equation is look like that: an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so we have to find a50, means here we write a50. Okay, a is equal to 3, a is equal to 3, n is equal to 15 because we want to find 15 term. So 50 minus 1 and d is equal to 2. So here 3, 50 minus 1 means 49 into 2. So 3 plus 49 2s are 98. Our 15 term will be 101. So according to this equation, we solve exercise 5.2. Okay. What we need to know about, you can find the, if you want to find 15 term, you can directly write a50 is equal to a plus 49d. How you can find? Okay, let's suppose that our equation is equal to a1 is equal to a. Okay, a2 is equal to a plus d. Okay, a3 is equal to a2 plus d. So what is the value of a2? Value of a2 is equal to a plus d. Put here a plus d plus d. So we get a3 is equal to a plus 2d. Okay, similarly a4 we get a plus 3d. For a5 we get a plus 4d. Okay, so now we can move to the exercise 5.2. Question number 1 is look like that: we have given table and we have to find the remaining part. So first question is like that: a is equal to 7, d is equal to 3, n is equal to 8. You have to find an. Okay, what are the equation? The equation is, well, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An we have to find. What is the value of a? A is equal to 7, n is equal to 8, means 8 minus 1, and d is equal to 3. So we get 7 plus 8 minus 1 means 7 into 3. So 7 plus 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 7 It means we get an is equal to 28. Okay, the value of this is equal to 28. Second question, here we get a is equal to minus 18. We have to find d, n is equal to 10, and an is equal to 0. In the second question, we get a is equal to minus 18. We have to find d, n is equal to 10, and an is equal to 0. Okay, so same equation, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to 0, a is equal to minus 18, n is equal to 10. Here we get 10 minus 1. We have to find d. So minus 18 goes to this side. So 0 minus 18 turn into plus 18. So 18 is equal to 10 minus 1 means 9d. So 18 is equal to 9d. 9 goes to denominator. 18 by 9 is equal to d. 9 twos are, so we get d is equal to 2. Okay. Question number 3. We have to find a. D is equal to minus 3. N is equal to 18. An is equal to minus 5. So we have to find a is equal. We have to find a. D is equal to minus 3. N is equal to 18. An is equal to minus 5. Our equation is look like that. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. an की वैल्यू क्या है? -5. -5 ए हमें फाइंड करना है तो वो रहेगा वैसे का वैसा. n is equal to 18 minus 1, d is equal to minus 3. So -5 is equal to a we have to find. Okay, so 18 minus 1 means 17 minus 3. So minus 5 is equal to a. 17 threes are 51. So minus 51 plus minus minus. Minus 51 minus 51 goes to this side. Then it turn out to be positive. So 51 minus 5 is equal to a. What is the value of a? A is equal to 46. You get a is equal to 46. Question look 3 look like that. Okay, now we move to the question number 4. In question number 4, we get e is equal to minus 18.9. D is equal to 2.5. You have to find n, and an is equal to 3.6. Our equation is same. Okay, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the value of an? An is equal to 3.6. A is equal to minus 18.9. N minus 1 you have to find. D is equal to 2.5. Minus 18.9 goes to this side, then it turn out to be positive. So positive 8.9 plus 3.6 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. So 18 plus 3, 21 plus 0.5. So it gets 22.5 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Now 2.5 goes to denominator, then we get 22.5 upon 2.5 is equal to n minus 1. So 25 nines are 225. So you get 9 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 goes to this side, then we get 9 plus 1 is equal to n. So we get n is equal to 10. So question number 4 is look like that. We found n is equal to 10. Last question, a is equal to 3.5, d is equal to 0, and n equal to 10.5. Okay, A is equal to 3.5, B is equal to 0, N is equal to 105. Okay, sorry. N is equal to 105. We have to find An. So our equation is look like that. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We have to find An. A is equal to 3.5. 105 minus 1 into 0. If any number multiply with 0, then we get 0. So we get An is equal to 3.5 plus 0. The value of N is equal to 3.5. Okay, this is the question number 1. If you still have any doubt, please comment down below. Okay. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हमें कुछ इस तरह से दिया है. चूज द करेक्ट चॉइस इन द फॉलोइंग एंड जस्टिफाई योर आंसर. MCQ है, उसमें से हमें कोई भी आंसर लाना है. ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट वन किस तरह से दिया है. 13 टर्म ऑफ द AP गिवन 10 7 4 इज डैश. ठीक है. तो इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, तो हम पहले सबको स्पेसिफाई कर देंगे. तो हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, 13 टर्म. इट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड n is equal to 13. What we given, a is equal to 10, first term. Okay, so we get a is equal to 10, and difference, to how to find difference, a2 minus a1, so 7 minus 10, so 7 minus 10 it means minus 3. Okay, and we have to find 13 term, means we have to find an. What will be the equation? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so an we have to find. A is 10, n is equal to 30 minus 1 into d is equal to minus 3. 10 plus 30 minus 1 means 29 minus 3. The 10 plus 29 minus 3 minus 87 plus minus minus. So 10 minus 87, we get minus 77. It means option C is our answer. Okay. Similarly, question number 2, the 11th term of the AP minus 3 minus half 2, so on. So our n is equal to 11, a is equal to minus 3, d we have to find. How to find d? Minus 1 by 2 minus minus 3. So minus minus 3 is equal to plus. So we give LCM here, 2 3s are 6, minus 1 plus 6 by 2, we get 5 by 2. Okay, and we have to find an, because we have to find 11th term. So equation is same. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is equal to minus 3, n is equal to 11, it means 11 minus 1, d is equal to 5 by 2. So minus 3 plus 10 into 5 by 2, the 2 5s are 10, so we get minus 3 plus 25. 25 minus 3, it means 22. You will be your answer. Option B is your answer. Okay, so this is question number 2. If you still have any doubt, please comment down. Question number 3, in the following AP find the missing term. Okay, तो हमें क्वेश्चन दिया है, AP सीरीज गिवन है. ओके, देन वी हैव टू फाइंड द मिसिंग टर्म्स. हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, मिसिंग टर्म फाइंड. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इस तरह से है, 2 blanks 26, so it means a is equal to 2. Okay, we have to find a2, and we given a3 is equal to 26. In the beginning of this video we have talked, we can write a3 is look like that. A3 is equal to a plus 2d. Okay, so a3 is here given 26, a is equal to 2. We have to find d. Then 2 goes to this side, the 26 minus 2 is equal to 2d. 24 is equal to 2d. Then we get 24 by 2 is equal to d. So we get d is equal to 12. So we have to find the second term. So how we can find the second term? First we get a and d. Then we have, what is the equation of a2? a2 is equal to a plus d. The value of a is equal to 2, d is equal to 12. Then we get a2 is equal to 14. Okay, this is the first question. We have got the value of a2 is equal to 14. Okay, if you still have any doubt, then please comment below. Question number 2 is look like that. Blanks 13, blanks 3. So here we have to find the two missing term. First one is a1. We have to find a2 is equal to 13. We have to find a3, and we have to find we have given a4 is equal to 3. Okay, so we know that a2 is equal to a plus d. Okay, what is the value of a2? a2 is equal to 30, and we know, okay, how we can write a4. a4 is equal to a plus 3d. And what is the value of a4? We get 3. First, change the sign. We can solve this by elimination method. Then change the sign. So we get the first, we got the value of d. A cut, we get d minus 3d, it means we get minus 2d is equal to 10. 13 minus 3. Okay, so वी हैव टू फाइंड एनी टर्म. हमें कोई भी टर्म फाइंड करने को बोला है, तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या चाहिए, ए और डी मिल जाए. ठीक है, तो उसके बाद हम कोई भी टर्म इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं. तो माइनस 2d इज इक्वल टू 10. इट मीन्स d इज इक्वल टू माइनस 10 बाई 2. तो वी गेट d इज इक्वल टू माइनस 5. ओके, तो d की वैल्यू हमें मिल गई माइनस 5. तो कोई भी जगह पे माइनस 5 रख दो. ठीक है, तो हमें यहाँ पे दिया है a प्लस डी इज इक्वल टू 13. तो डी की जगह पे रख दो माइनस 5. तो माइनस 5 उससे हट जाएगा तो प्लस हो जाएंगे. ए इज इक्वल टू 18. तो हमें मिल गई ए की वैल्यू, फर्स्ट टर्म है वो हमारी क्या हो गई, 18. अब हमें फाइंड करना है a3. तो a3 का इक्वेशन क्या है, a प्लस 2d. तो a है हमारे पास 18, 2d मीन्स 2 माइनस 5. तो 18 माइनस 10, 2 5 are 10. तो 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. So we get the value of first term is equal to 18 and third term is 8. Okay, now we go to move to the question number 3. Question number 3, we have given first term is 5. We have to find second term, third term, and fourth term you given 9 1 by 2. Okay, so we write the equation for the a4. a4 is equal to a plus 3d. Similarly, first we have to find the a and d. सबसे पहले हम a और d फाइंड कर लेंगे. ठीक है, उसके बाद हमें जो भी फाइंड करना है वो हमें इजीली मिल जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे a तो हमें ऑलरेडी दे दिया है क्योंकि a की वैल्यू हमें क्या दी है, 5. ओके, तो हम यहाँ पे पहले फाइंड करेंगे d. 9 1.5 है तो उसको हम किस तरह से लिख सकते हैं, 2 9 18, 18 प्लस 1, तो उसको हम लिख सकते हैं 19 बाई 2. ए की वैल्यू है 5, 3d. ठीक है, अब प्लस 5 उससे हट जाएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा. 19 बाई 2 माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू 3d. तो 19 माइनस 2 मतलब 2 5 10. यहाँ पे एलसीएम ले लो तो 19 माइनस 10 बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू 3d. 19 बाई 19 माइनस 10, तो हम वी गेट 9 बाई 2 3d. 3 यहाँ पे चला जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर में, तो 9/2 इंटू थ्री इज इक्वल टू डी, 3 3 9, व्हाट वी गेट, डी इज इक्वल टू 3/2। ओके, तो अब हमें फाइंड कर लेना है A2। तो A2 हमें किस तरह से मिलेगा, A प्लस डी, ए की वैल्यू है हमारे पास 5, डी की वैल्यू है हमारे पास 3/2। तो यहाँ पे ले लो एलसीएम, 5 2 ज़ा 10, 10 में 3 ऐड कर दो तो हमें मिल जाएगा 13/2। ठीक है, सिमिलरली A3 की वैल्यू हमें किस तरह से मिलेगी, A प्लस 2D। यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, ए की जगह पे रख लो 5, ठीक है। 2D हमारा क्या था, 3/2, तो 2 2 कट, क्या बचा हमारे पास, 5 प्लस 3 मीन्स A3 इज इक्वल टू 8। तो ये था हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। अभी भी देख लो एक बार, कोई डाउट लगे तो नीचे कमेंट कर दीजिए। ओके, कोई डाउट ना हो तो आप आगे वीडियो में हम बढ़ सकते हैं। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 हमें इस तरह से दिया है, -4 ब्लैंक 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 एंड लास्ट है हमारे पास 6। तो यहाँ पे भी देखो हमें वही मेथड यूज़ करनी है। ए हमें ऑलरेडी दे दिया है, ठीक है। लास्ट टर्म हमारे पास, लास्ट टर्म मीन्स हमें कौन सी टर्म हो गई यहाँ पे, 6 टर्म, 1 2 3 4 5 6। ओके, तो वी गेट A6, हमें कितना दिया है, 6। तो A6 के बदले हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, A प्लस 5D, ठीक है, इज इक्वल टू 6। ए की वैल्यू हमें ऑलरेडी दे दी, क्या दी है, -4। तो ए की जगह पर लिख दो -4 plus 5d is equal to 6, minus 4 goes to this side, so we get 5d is equal to 6 plus 4, so 5d equal to 10, so d is equal to 10 by 5, it means d is equal to 2। ओके, तो अब हमें क्या मिल गया, ए की वैल्यू मिल गई, डी की वैल्यू मिल गई, तो उसके बाद हम सबकी वैल्यू इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं A2। तो A2 किस तरह से है, a प्लस डी, इट मीन्स -4 प्लस 2, -4 प्लस 2 करोगे तो आपका क्या आंसर होगा, -2। ए की वैल्यू, A2 की वैल्यू होगी -2। A3, अगर अब यहाँ पे देखो कैलकुलेशन, अगर आपको शो करनी है तो ही लिखो, वरना आपको डायरेक्ट पता चल गया। ये आ गई -4, उसमें हमने +2 ऐड किए तो -2। अब -2 में फिर से +2 ऐड करो तो हो जाएगा 0, 0 में +2 ऐड करो तो हो जाएगा हमारा 2, एंड 2 में +2 ऐड करो तो हो जाएगा हमारा 4। आप इस तरह से डायरेक्ट भी लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है। एंड अगर शो करना है तो यहाँ पे आप कैलकुलेशन कर सकते हो। यहाँ पे देखो बोला गया आपको A3, तो A3 हो जाएगा हमारा A प्लस 2D। तो यहाँ पे -4, डी की वैल्यू हमारे पास 2 है, ठीक है। तो माइनस माइनस प्लस, तो 2 2 सा हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 4, -4 प्लस 4, तो 4 प्लस 4 -4 हो जाएगा हमारा आंसर 0। ठीक है, तो इस तरह से हम कर सकते हैं। तो आगे का अगर आप इजीली खुद फाइंड कर सकते हैं। अभी भी इसमें आपको समझ में ना आए तो नीचे कमेंट कर दी। तो ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 अच्छे से देख लीजिए, कोई अभी भी डाउट लगे तो नीचे कमेंट कर देना। अब हम जाते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में, थोड़ा सा टफ है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इस तरह से है, देखिए, ब्लैंक्स सेकंड टर्म आपको दे दी है 38, ब्लैंक्स 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 एंड सिक्स टर्म आपको दे दी है 22। मतलब आपको दे दिया है A2 की वैल्यू आपको दे दी है 38। तो आप A2 के बदले आप क्या लिख सकते हैं, एंड लास्ट टर्म A6 की वैल्यू आपको दे दी है -22। तो A2 के बदले आप लिख सकते हैं A प्लस डी, उसकी वैल्यू आपको दे दी है 38। A6 आपको क्या दिया है, -22। तो A6 के बदले आप लिख सकते हैं A प्लस 5D। ओके, तो A प्लस 5D मीन्स -22। एलिमिनेशन मेथड यूज करो, साइन चेंज कर दो, माइनस माइनस प्लस, ठीक है, माइनस माइनस कट, प्लस डी -5d, तो वो हो जाएगा आपका -4d। 38 + 22 कर दो, आपका आंसर हो जाएगा +60। तो d की वैल्यू आ गई 16/-4, मतलब d इज इक्वल टू हुआ आपका -15। ओके, अब हमें फाइंड करनी है फर्स्ट टर्म। तो यहाँ पे a2 की वैल्यू ऑलरेडी दी है, ठीक है। तो a2 के बदले हम लिख सकते हैं a + d। a2 वैल्यू आपको पास है 38, ठीक है। तो a हमें फाइंड करना है, d की वैल्यू आई आपकी -15, ठीक है। अब -15 उससे हट जाएगा तो पॉजिटिव, 38 + 15 इज इक्वल टू a। तो 38 में आप 15 ऐड करो तो क्या हो जाएगा आपका 53। तो आपकी फर्स्ट टर्म कितनी आई 53, ठीक है। तो सिमिलरली हम वही, जब 53 है उसमें से आप 15 माइनस करो तो आपके आंसर मिलेगा 38। ओके, अब 38 में से आप और 15 माइनस करो, आपका आंसर हो जाएगा 23। 23 में से और 15 आप माइनस करोगे तो 8। 8 में से और 15 माइनस करोगे तो आपका आंसर होगा -7, ठीक है। तो देख लो इस ये सम किस तरह से करते हैं। अब हमें मिल गया a2, सॉरी अब हमें फाइंड करना है a3, मतलब ये हमें 23 आंसर लाना है। तो किस तरह से होगा, a + 2d, a है हमारे पास 53, 2d मीन्स -15, तो 53 - 20, so we get 23। सिमिलरली a4 हमें मिल जाएगा a + 3d करके, ठीक है। एंड सिमिलरली a5 हमें मिल जाएगा a + 4d करके। तो आप ये काउंट कर सकते हैं। अगर अभी भी आपको डाउट लगे तो प्लीज़ नीचे कमेंट कर देना, ठीक है। तो ये था हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। अभी भी कोई डाउट है तो बोल देना। तो बहुत ईजी है, तो शांति से स्टेप बाय स्टेप करते जाओ, आपका आंसर इजीली आ जाएंगे। ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज लाइक दैट, विच टर्म ऑफ द AP 3, 8, 13, 18 इज 78। ओके, तो हमें कहाँ क्या फाइंड करना है, नम विच टर्म हमें फाइंड करना है n। So in given AP, first term is 3, it means A is equal to 3, D is equal to second term minus first term, so it goes 8 minus 3, so D is equal to 5. And which term is 78? So an is you given, an is equal to 78. Okay, so we have equation an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to 78, a is equal to 3, n minus 1 as it is, and d equal to 5. Plus 3 goes to this side, so we get 78 minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3, it means 75 is equal to n minus 1 into 5, and 5 goes to denominator. 75 by 5 is equal to n minus 1. 5 1s are 15 5s are, so we get 15 equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 goes to there, so plus 1 is equal to n is equal to 16. Okay, so this is the question number 4. So question number 5 is look like that. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. So we given two APs. First one 7, 13, 19 up to 205. We have to find how many terms are there. So in the first one, our A is equal to 7. It means first term is 7. Difference is 13 minus 7, 6. Okay, and the last term is known as an. An is equal to 205, and we have to find n. Okay, so we have same equation, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so an is equal to 205, a is equal to 7, we have to find n, and d is equal to 6. Plus 7 goes to this side, so it 205 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. 205 minus 7, it means 198 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. 6 goes to denominator, so we get 198 by 6 equal to n minus 1. So we get 6 3s are 18, 1 carry forward, 6 3s are 80. 33 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 goes to this side, so 33 plus 1 is equal to n. So 34 is equal to n in this given AP. Okay. Similarly, on the second one, we given like that 18, 15 and a half, 13 up to minus 47. Okay. So our first term will be a is equal to 18. Difference will be a2 minus a1. So first we convert into normal factor. 2 15s are 13. 13 plus 1, 31 by 2 minus 18. So we get LCM. So 13, 31 by 2 minus 18. So 2 goes to here. So 31, 18 2s are 36. So we get 13, 1 minus 18 2s are 36. Divide by 2, we get minus 5 by 2. And the last term will be an is equal to minus 47. Okay. So we have to find n. So same equation, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to minus 47. A is equal to 18. N minus 1. D is equal to minus 5 by 2. Minus 18 goes to this side, so we get minus 47 minus 18 is equal to n minus 1 minus 5 by 2. Okay. So minus 47 minus 18, it means minus 65 is equal to n minus 1 minus 5 by 2. 2 goes to multiplication and 5 goes in denominator. Okay. So minus 65 into 2 is equal upon minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 minus minus cut 5 13s are 13 2s are 26 is equal to n minus 1 minus 1 goes to there, so 26 plus 1 is equal to n. So we get n is equal to 27. Okay. If you have still any doubt, then please comment it. Okay. So question number 6 so question number 6 is question number 6 is like that. Check the whether minus 150 is a term of the given AP. So our AP is 11, 8, 5, 2. So we have to check minus 150 is term of them. So we get an is equal to minus 150. First term of AP is equal to 11. Difference is second term minus first term, it means 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3. We have to find n. Okay. N must be positive integer. Okay. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to minus 150. A is equal to 11 n minus 1 and d is equal to minus 3. 11 goes to there, so minus 150 minus 11 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. So minus 161 is equal to n minus 1 upon minus 3. Minus 3 goes to denominator. Okay. So minus 161 upon minus 3 is equal to n minus 1. So we cannot divide 161 by 3. Okay. So we can say that minus 150 is not term of the AP, because n must be positive integer. So here we don't get positive integer. That's why minus 150 is a not term of the AP. So now we move to the question number 7. The question number 7 is like that. Find the 31st term of the AP whose 11th term is 38. We have to find 31st term. We have to find A31. Okay. What we give 11th term is 38. So A11 is equal to 38, and 16th term, okay, 16th term is 73. So A16 is equal to 73. So first we have to find first term and the difference. So how we can get? So we can write A11 is equal to A plus 10D. Okay, so A plus 10D is equal to 38, and instead of A16 we can write that A plus 15D is equal to 73. Now from elimination method we can easily solve that. Minus minus minus. Okay, so plus A minus A cut, plus 10D minus 15D, what we get? Minus 5D. Okay, and 73 minus 38. So minus 73 plus 38, so we get minus 35. So value of D is equal to minus 35 upon minus 5. So we get minus minus plus 5 sevens are 35. D is equal to 7. Now we have to find A. So how we can find A? Put the value of D in any of equation. Okay, so we can take first equation. A is equal to 10D is equal to 38. So A is equal to 10. Instead of D we can put D is equal to 7. So A plus 70 is equal to 38. 70 goes to this side, so 38 minus 70. The value of A is equal to minus 32. Okay, and what we have to find? We have to find A31, 31st term. Okay, so A31 is equal, what is the equation of A31? A plus 30D. So A is equal to minus 32, D is equal to 7, so 30 into 7, so minus 32 plus 37 is 210. So we get A31 is equal to 178. So very simple question. If you still have any doubt, please comment it. Okay, so question number is 8. So question number 8 is, if the third and ninth term of the APs are 4 and minus 8, so we get A3 is equal to 4, A9 is equal to minus 8. What we have to find? Which term of the AP is 0? So we given AN is equal to 0. We have to find in which term the value of AN is equal to 0. Okay, so first we given A3 is equal to 4, A9 is equal to minus 8. So we can write that instead of A3 we write A plus 2D is equal to 4. Instead of A9 we can write A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Elimination method use, changing the sign, minus minus cut, plus 2D minus 8D, we get minus 6D is equal to 12. So we get D is equal to 12 by minus 6. So we get D is equal to minus 2. Okay, put the value in any of the equation. So we get A plus 2D is equal to 4. a is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 4. So a minus 4 is equal to 4. Minus 4 goes to this side. So a is equal to 4 plus 4. A is equal to 8. Now we have to find n. What is the value of n? So equation is like that. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to 0. A we get 8. N we have to find, and d is equal to minus 2. Now plus 8 goes to there, so we get minus 8 is equal to n minus 1 upon minus 2. Minus 2 goes to denominator, so minus 8 upon minus 2 is equal to n minus 1. Minus minus cut, 2 4s are 4 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 goes to there, so 4 plus 1 is equal to n. So n is equal to 5. Okay, so in the fifth term we get the value of 0. If you still have any doubt, then please comment it. Question number 10 is look like that. The 17th term of the AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Okay, 17th term, it means A17 exceeds its 10th term by 7. We get a 10 plus 7. 10th term से 7 ज़्यादा है. ओके, तो A16 इक्वल टू वी कैन राइट A plus 16D, A10, A plus 9D plus 7. Okay, then all this goes to this side, so A plus 16D plus a minus minus 9D is equal to 7, plus a minus a cut, 16D minus 9D, it means we get 7D is equal to 7. So D is equal to 7 by 7. D is equal to 1. Common difference is 1. Okay, so next question is, which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 so on will be 132 more than its 54th term? Which term of the AP? It means AN. 132 more than its 54th term. 54th term plus 132. Okay, understand? क्या हमें बोला गया, विच टर्म ऑफ द एपी, एन हमें फाइंड करना है. ओके, कितना है वो, 132 मोर देन 54th टर्म. जो हमारी 54th टर्म है उससे 132 ज़्यादा. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम देख लेते, ए हो जाएगा हमारा 3, डी हो जाएगा हमारा 15 माइनस 3, मतलब डी हो जाएगा हमारा 12. हमें फाइंड करना है एन. तो ए एन इज इक्वल टू लिख सकते हैं ए प्लस एन माइनस 1 इंटू डी. ए 54 के बदले लिख सकते हैं ए प्लस 53D प्लस 132. ओके, तो यहाँ पे ए दोनों हो जाएंगे कट. ठीक है, यहाँ पे वो आपको लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो n माइनस 1 हमें फाइंड करना है. n माइनस 1, डी की वैल्यू कितनी है 12, 53. ओके, डी की वैल्यू हमें दी है 12 प्लस 132. तो n माइनस 1 इंटू 12 रहेगा वैसे का वैसा. 53 इंटू 12 मीन्स 636 प्लस 132. तो n माइनस 1 इंटू 12 is equal to 636 plus 132 means 768. Okay, 12 goes to denominator, so we get n minus 1 is equal to 768 divided by 12. So 12 6 are 72 and 12 4 are 48. So n minus 1 is equal to 64. Minus 1 goes to this side, so n is equal to 64 plus 1. So what we get, n is equal to 65. Okay, if you still have any doubt, then please comment it. Now next question is example number 12. two APs common difference, have same common difference. The difference between their 100 term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? So what we given right now, we given two APs. Suppose that the first AP is like that, A1, A2, A3, okay, and the second AP is like that, B1, B2, B3, okay. What we given, they have same common difference. It means A2 minus A1 and B2 minus B1 is same, or you can say that any two consecutive terms difference are equal, okay. So what we given right now, we given their 100 term difference is 100. So we can write that A100 minus B100 is equal to 100. So we can simplify this. What we can write, A100 instead of A100, so we can write A plus 99D. Similarly, what we can write, instead of B100 we can write B plus 99D is equal to 100. We already given, okay. So simplify this, A plus 99D, open this bracket, so we get minus B minus 99D is equal to 100, okay, plus 99D minus 99D cut, so we get A minus B is equal to 100, okay. Now what we have to find, we have to find the difference between the 1000th term, okay. So it means we have to find A1000 minus B1000. So what we can write instead of A1000, so we can write A plus 999D. Instead of B1000, what we can write, B plus 999D, okay. Now open the bracket, we get A plus 999D minus B minus 999D, okay. So 999D cut, what we get, A minus B. So what is the value of A minus B we find? It is 100. So the difference between their 1000 term is 100, okay. This is the question number 12. If you still have any doubt, then please comment it. Question number 13 is like that, how many 3-digit number are divisible by 7? So first we have to know that 3-digit number start from 100 and end from 999, 999, okay. So when the 3-digit number divisible by 7 start, so how can we find? So first divide 100 by 7, okay. First we have to create the series, which series we have given, and then we find the total number, okay. So if we divide 100 by 7, then we get 7 ones are 7 and 3 0, 7 fours are 28, so we get 2. So 14 is not divisible by 3, okay. Then we go to the next number. What is the next number after 14? Is 15. So 15 sevens are 105. So our first number of 3-digit number that is divisible by 7 is 105. How we can get the first 3-digit number is divided by 7, okay. So we get the 14 here, so we want one more, so the number is start from 15. So 15 sevens are 105, and then add 7 to all terms, okay. 105 plus 7, so 112, 119. Similarly, how to find the last term? So what is the last number of 3-digit is 999, okay. So 7 here, 7 ones are 7, 9 minus 7 means 2, 9 goes carry on, 14, 7, 28, 1, 9, 7 2s are 14, so we get 5. So we have to subtract the, or we can do that. 142 sevens are 142 sevens are what is the multiplication of 142 into 7? It is 994. Okay, so our series is look like that: 105, 112, 119 up to 994. All three digit number are divisible by 7. So here we given a is equal to 105, difference equal to 7. Okay, and last term is an is equal to 994. So we have to find it. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is equal to 994, a is equal to 105. We have to find n, and difference is 7. Okay, so 994, 105 goes to this side. So 994 minus 105 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. So 994 minus 105 means 889 is equal to n minus 1 upon 7. 7 goes to denominator. 889 upon 7 is equal to n minus 1. So 889 divided by 7. So we get 127 is equal to n minus 1, and minus 1 goes to there. So we get n is equal to 127 plus 1. So n is equal to 128. How many three digit number are divisible by 7? Total number are 128. If you still have any doubt, then please comment it. Question number 14. How many multiple of 4 lie between 10 and 250? So how can, first we have to find the series. Okay, so how can we find the series? 10 divided by 4 and 250 divided by 4. Okay, we want number between 10 and 250. So our least number is 10. So first we write 10 divided by 4. So 4 2s are 8, remainder is 2. Okay, so first number is, what is the first number? The next number after 2, the next number after 2 is 3, and the multiple of 3 or 4. So 4 3s are 12. Our first number is 12. What is the next number? Add 4, 16, 20. Okay, and how to find the last number? Same method, 250 divided by 4. So 4 6 are 24, one remainder 10, and 4 2s are 8, remainder is 2. So 62 4s are, okay, 62 4s are 248. In the last digit find, we just multiply with 62 into 4, and the first, in the, how to find the first digit, we have to multiply the next digit instead of given number. Okay, so we multiply with 3 with 4. So 4 3s are 12. Our number start with 12. So our series is like that: 12, 16, 20 up to 248. So our first term is 12, difference is 4, last term is, means an is equal to 248. We have to find how many multiple, we have to find the numbers, so we have to find n. So our equation is like that: an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is equal to 248, a is equal to 12. We have to find n minus 1, and the difference is 4, plus 12 goes to this side. So we get 248 minus 12 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. So 248 minus 12 is equal to 236 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. This 4 goes to denominator. So 236 by 4 is equal to n minus 1. So 4 5s are 20, and 4 9s are 36. So we get 59 is equal to n minus 1, and minus 1 goes to this side. So we get 59 plus 1 is equal to n. So value of n is equal to 60. Okay, so very simple question. If you still have any doubt, please comment it. So now we move to the question number 15. So question number 50 is that for what value of n are nth term of two APs 63, 65, 67, so on, and 3, 10, 70, so on are equals. So we given two APs. The first AP is like that 63, 65, 67. So in this AP, here our first term is like that A is equal to 63 and the difference is 65 minus 63. So the difference is 2. So here we difference is indicated with small d. Okay. In the second term, second series is like that 3, 10, 17. Okay. So our first term is b. So b is equal to 3 and the difference, so is here the difference is capital D. We indicate because there are two separate series. So the difference is 10 minus 3, it means 7. Okay. So here we given for what value of n, nth term of two APs are equal. So nth term means an and bn both are same. Okay. So we have find n here. So equation of an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d small d. Okay. And here in bn, b plus n minus 1 into capital D. So value of a is equal to 63, n minus 1, value of small d is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and value of capital D is 7. So just simplify this 63 plus 2n minus 2, 3 plus 7n minus 7. Okay. So 63 minus 2, it means 61 plus 2n. Here 3 minus 7, it means 4 plus 7n. Minus 4 goes to this side and plus 2n goes to this side. So we get 61 plus 4 is equal to 7n minus 2n. So 61 plus 4 is equal to 65 is equal to 5n. So we get 65 is equal to 5n. 5 goes to denominator. So 65 upon 5 is equal to n. So 5 13s are 65. So value of n is equal to 13. Okay. So very simple question. If you still have any doubt, then please comment it. Okay. Question number 16. Determine the AP. We have to find AP whose third term is 16. It means we have given third term is 16. So we can write that A30 is equal to 16. And second hint is like that the seventh term exists fifth term by 12. Okay, it means seventh term is exist fifth term by 12. So A5 plus 12. Okay. So here we can use this equation for the finding D. So we given a plus 6d here and here a plus 4d is equal to 12. A and 4d goes to this side. So we get a plus 6d minus a minus 4d is equal to 12. So a cut 60 minus 4d, it means 2d is equal to 12. So d is equal to 12 by 2. It means d is equal to 6. So here we have find AP. So we want first term and the difference. So A3, we can instead of A3 we can write that A plus 2D is equal to 16. So value of D is equal to 6. So here A is equal to 2 into 6 is equal to 16. So 2 into 6 means 12 is equal to 16. So plus 12 goes to there. So A is equal to 16 minus 12. A is equal to 4. Okay. So here our first term is 4 How to find second term? Add the difference or subtract the difference on it. So 4 plus 6, second term is 10, third term is 16, next term is 22, so goes on. So our given AP is like that: 4, 10, 16, 22. Okay, so very simple question. If you still have any doubt, then please comment it or rewatch the video. And if you still not subscribe our channel, then please subscribe the channel and like this video. Now we talk about example number 18. The sum of fourth term and eighth term of the AP is 24, and the sum of sixth term and 10th term of the AP is 44. Find the first three terms. Okay, so first we given sum of fourth term and eighth term. It means A4 plus A8. Okay, A4 plus A8 is equal to 24, and second one A6 plus A10. Okay, so A6 plus A10 is equal to 44, that we given in question. So we have to find the first three term of the AP. So first we have to find A and D as usual. Okay, so instead of A4 we can write A plus 3D. Instead of A8 we can write A plus 7D is equal to 24. So here A plus A, it means 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. Similarly here A6 is equal to, we can write A plus 5D, and similarly A plus 9D is equal to 44. So add them, we get 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. So we got two equation. This is the first one and this is the second one. So solving this equation by elimination method, so we get 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. Change the sign, we got minus 4D is equal to minus 20. So we get D is equal to minus 20 by minus 4, minus minus cut, 4 5s are, we get D is equal to 5. Okay, so then we have to find A. So put the value of D in any one of equation. So 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. So D is equal to 5. 2A plus 10 into 5 is equal to 24. 2A plus 50, 24. Now this 50 goes to this side. So we get 24 minus 50. 2A is equal to minus 26. Okay, and so we get A is equal to minus 26 by 2. The value of A is equal to minus 13. So our first term will be A1 is equal to minus 30. A2 means A plus T. So minus 13 plus 5. So we get A2 is equal to 8, and similarly A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Minus 30 plus 2D means 10. So A3 is equal to minus 3. So this is the question number 80. If you still have any doubt, please comment it. Now question number 19. Subba Rao started work in 1995 at annual salary of 5,000 and received increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach 7,000? Okay, so he started work at the salary of 5,000. Okay, so our first term is like 5,000, 200 increment every year. So first year is 500, 5,000. Second year he receives salary 5,200. Third year he receives salary 5,400. Okay, so we have to find when his salary become 7,000. So our series is look like that: 5,000, 5,200, 5,400. Okay, and the last term is 700. So here our first term is A is equal to 5,000. Similarly, difference is 200. Okay, 5,200 minus 500, so difference is 200. And the last term, when we got the 7,000, it means an is equal to 7,000. In which year we got 7,000? It means we have to find number of years. So our equation is same: an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is equal to 7,000, a is equal to 5,000. We have to find n, and d is equal to 200. So 7000 minus 500, 5000. So 7000 minus 5000 is equal to n minus 1 into 200. So we got 2000 is equal to n minus 1 into 200. 200 goes to denominator. 2000 upon 200 is equal to n minus 100. 2 tens are, so 10 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 goes to there, so we get n is equal to 10 plus 1, so n is equal to 11. After 11 year, his salary become 7000. So that is the question. If you still have any doubt, please comment it. Okay. So last question of this exercise 5.2. The question is here. Ramkali save rupees 5 in the first week of year. Okay. And then increase her weekly saving by 1.75. ओके तो वो क्या कर रही है एवरी इन द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ ईयर he start the saving in the first week she save 5 rupees. Okay, in the second week she save 5 plus 1.75, it means she save 6.75. Okay, similarly increment of 1.75 rupees every month. So after nth week, we don't know the number of week, her weekly saving become 20.75. Okay, so we have to find n. तो हमें यहाँ पे क्या फाइंड करना है, n फाइंड करने को बोला है. तो our first term is a is equal to 5. What is the increment? The increment is 1.75. It means the difference of the number is 1.5. So the value of d is equal to 1.75, and an, the last term, is equal to 20.75. So we have to find value of n. Okay, so our equation is look like that. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is equal to 20.75. A is equal to 5. We have to find n. So here is as it is, and the difference is 1.75. This 5 goes to there, so we get 20.75 minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 1.75. So 20.75 minus 5 means 15.75 is equal to n minus 1 into 1.75. So 1.75 goes to denominator, so 15.75 upon 1.75 is equal to n minus 1. So if we divide this number, we get 1.79 is 15.75. So 9 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 goes to there, so it become plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is equal to n. So value of n is equal to 10. So after 10 week, her weekly saving become 20.75. So this is the all we need for exercise 5.2. If you still have any doubt, then please comment it, and if you don't like this video, please give a suggestion in the comment box. And if you don't subscribe our channel, then please subscribe our channel. And thank you very much for watching this video.